Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Welcome to Fix It Free, guys. So today we'll show you how to manage partitions on Windows 11 without downloading any other software or need to pay any other paid software. Okay, so we all agree that there are tons of third-party partitions managers for Windows, and also, did you know that Windows includes its own partition managers tool? Therefore, this is what we are going to see in this video. So actually there is a disk management tool in your Windows version inside that you can use in order to create, delete and format partitions and volumes, as well as change their drive letters and let me show you the different things that you can do using the free tool integrated into your Windows. Okay, so in order to access to the disk management, it's very easy. Just click on search bar here and search for partitions or disk management. For disk management, like this, and we have now the disk management tab, as you can see here. So here I have my different partitions, as you can see, and here I have my disk, the first disk and the second hard drive also. So let's assume that I have this volume M and I want to separate this into two drives, as you can see. So in order to do this, it's very easy. First, we are going to need to shrink the hard drive first. To shrink the volume, you just need to right click and select shrink volume, as you can see. So now they ask you about the amount of space to shrink in megabyte. We are going, you will need a calculator in order to calculate this. So every gigabyte contains equal to 1012 megabytes. Okay, so we have 1012 megabytes. Let's assume I need 200 gigabytes, so I will multiply everything for 200 and I will get this amount, as you can see. So let's write this to auto 400. Okay, so let's shrink now the volume. So directly this is the result, and we are getting this new unallocated volume, as you can see. And in order to create a new volume, because this is unallocated space, there is nothing here, it's just a space without anything. Okay, so in order to create a new volume, just right click and click new simple volume, as you can see, and next, and choose how much of space you want to create the volume for. If you want the whole thing, just leave it as it is. Okay, and click next. Choose here the letter, for example T, or whatever letter that you want. Next. Here you can choose the file system, or you can just leave this as default. Okay, finish. And right now we have a new partition with the letter T. Let's verify, and here it is, as you can see. So let's assume again that I want to delete a partition. So in order to delete the partition or the volume, what you need to do is right click again and you will find delete the volume. Yes, so now the volume again is deleted. We have unallocated space. So let's assume that I want to extend this volume as you can see. In order to do that, just right click again and click extend, next, and select how much do you want to extend. If you want the whole thing, just leave this as it is, next, again, finish, and again here is the same thing as you can see. And now we have the volume again back with the same amount of gigabyte as you can see. So you can also change the letter of the volume by clicking on change drive letters as you can see, and you can change or add. For example, if you want to change, you can change it to whatever letter you want. Okay, for example, S. Okay, yes, and here is the letter is changed right now as you can see. So thank you for watching. I hope you understand how to use the free disk management tool integrated in Windows. In this video I explained everything about the disk management, such as how to resize the volume, shrink the volume, extend the volume, and create a new volume, and also how to delete a volume also. Thank you for watching, and the next video will be about how to clone your hard drive to another hard drive or to a different hard drive such as SSD. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give me a comment about anything you want to ask about, and also don't forget to leave me a like and also subscribe if you're not subscribing to my channel.